If you have a Facebook page and you're not making money from it, you're missing a huge opportunity. Today, I'll show you exactly how to monetize your Facebook page step by step, even if you're a beginner. First, understand this. Facebook pays creators through different monetization programs inside Meta, but you must meet their eligibility requirements. Step 1. Build your audience. You need at least 5,000 followers for most monetization features. Post consistently. Focus on one niche, like finance, motivation, tech, or storytelling. The more targeted your content, the faster you grow. Step 2. Enable in-stream ads. In-stream ads allow you to earn money from ads placed inside your videos. To qualify, you usually need 5,000 followers, 60,000 minutes watched in the last 60 days, at least 5 active videos. Once eligible, go to your professional dashboard and apply for monetization. Step 3. Facebook Stars. Stars allow followers to send you money during live streams or videos. When someone sends stars, you earn real cash. The more engaging your content, the more support you'll receive. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. You don't have to wait for Facebook approval. Promote products using affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission. This works great for finance pages, tech reviews, and AI tools. Step 5. Brand deals and sponsorships. Once your page grows, brands will pay you to promote their products. Even pages with 10,000 followers can start getting paid collaborations. Bonus tip: short video strategy. Post short, engaging reels daily. Facebook's algorithm pushes short content to new audiences. More reach means more followers. More followers mean more money. Important: your page must follow Meta's monetization policies. No copyright strikes. No reused content. Original content performs best. Final advice: treat your Facebook page like a business, not a hobby. Be consistent for 90 days. Improve your content quality. Study what works. Monetization is not instant, but once it starts, it becomes passive income. If you stay consistent, your Facebook page can become a serious income source in 2026.